Hi guys, this is David from Armo again, and I'm excited to show you the new features and breaking changes that we did to our Kubescape extension for VS Code. Let's go to the Extension tab and search for Kubescape. Okay, and let's press Install. Great, we have Kubescape installed to the latest version. Now we can go to the extension settings and talk about what has changed. Kubescape is using frameworks as backend for its scanning. To learn more, go to the Kubescape documentation. We added the ability to specify which directory will be used by Kubescape to load and store frameworks from by setting the custom framework directory. By default, the extension uses its own version of Kubescape. To use a custom version, or maybe a fork of your own, set dir path to a custom directory in your system that has Kubescape binary in it. For example, I'm setting mine right now. Next is the option to specify required frameworks. You can tell the extension which frameworks you want to have available, and if we can, they would be downloaded locally to the framework directory or the Kubescape binary directory. You can also control which frameworks will actually be used in the scanning process by setting the scan framework field. If this field is unset, or if set to all, Kubescape will use all the frameworks it can find in its framework directory. The scan and save option is used to tell the extension which type of files will trigger the background scanning whenever the file is dirty and getting saved on the disk. And finally, we changed the way the extension uses the Kubescape binary. To ensure that there are minimum breaking whenever there is a new release of Kubescape, we introduced a versioning tier, which is set by default to stable. If, however, you want to go fully bleeding edge, you can set it to latest instead. Now let's see a little demonstration. I'm opening a YAML file, and since I'm using the latest version tier, Kubescape is being updated. After that, we can see the initialization process. And finally, the scanning is fired and we can go over the results. We were happy to hear your thoughts and issues you came across by using the preview version of this extension. Hopefully it will go better and better thanks to your contribution. So thank you all, and I'll be seeing you all as soon as I have more updates and new cool features. So bye then, stay safe.